Tungsten electrodes of varying diameters are typically used in conventional welding procedures practiced in a wide variety of industries. During such procedures, an arc is established between the metal to be welded and the end, or point, of each electrode. The electrode point becomes worn or damaged over time, resulting in inadequate or interrupted current transmission, as the quality and efficiency of welds is highly dependent upon the condition of the electrode point. It is important that the point be dressed, or reshaped and sharpened, as needed during welding operations. We produced the latest tungsten needle grinding tool to make the grinding more simple and convenient. Use this tungsten grinder angle controller to maximize welding performance. Grinding wheels should be made of small granularity diamond or borazon. Grind longitudinally and concentrically so that the lines on the ground surface move in the same direction as the length of the tungsten electrode and the electrode has no flat spots.